Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, my students? कैसे हो बच्चों? As almost children are coming on live class, others are not joining. So, first of all, I request to all the students that join live class. It's better for you, beta. You will get more and more knowledge. You will get benefit, beta. You adjust about it. We are trying our best, beta, for you all. So, those who are watching video, so after watching this, you can contact to your friends that how they use live class if you don't know. And those who are already attending live class, so please share with your classmates. जहाँ आप उनको पहचानते हो उनको कहो कि why are not joining live class? Come in the live class. Yes? Okay, so lesson number 6 I started. New lesson after PT1. Alhamdulillah, PT1 question paper you took, and I hope that you have written in better way. Activity also, beta, for half student left. बहुत सौ की activity भी बाकी है. So please, beta, submit your activity, either girls or boys, whole class 7. As well as for 6 and 5 also, you can say them. So, term 1 syllabus I started. Today I am going to translate. Yes. Ad-Darsus Sadis. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ad-Darsus Sadis. Lesson 6. Baytu Hamidin. Hamid's house. Bayt means house. Hamid is a noun, name of person. Hamid's house. Haza baytun. This is a house. Haza baytun kabir. This is big house. This is big house. Haza baytu Hamid. This is Hamid's house. This is Hamid's house. Haza Abu Hamid. This is Hamid's father. Ismuhu Khalid. His name is Khalid. Huwa Tajir. He is a trader. Tajir, trader, businessman, merchant. He is a trader. Who is a trader? Hamid's father, yes. Hazi Ummu Hamid. This is Hamid's mother. This is Hamid's mother. Ismuha Rashida. Her name is Rashida. Her name is Rashida. Hiya mudarrisatum bil madrasatil markaziyya. She is a teacher in central school. In the central school. As you can say in CBSE school. Yes. Mudarrisa, teacher. Madrasa school, and markaziyya, central. She is a teacher in the central school. Hazi Ukhtu Hamid. This is Hamid's sister. This is Hamid's sister. Ismuha Sajida. Her name is Sajida. Hiya Tabiba. She is a doctor. She is a doctor. Hada Akhu Hamid. This is Hamid's brother. This is Hamid's brother. Ismuhu Khalid. His name is Khalid. Huwa muhandis, he is an engineer. He is engineer. Hazi usratun saida, this is happy family. This is happy family. So very short lesson, and translation is also easy because almost words are usable. So you know the meaning of that, like haza, baid, then hamid is a pronoun, and isma, name. Yes, huwa, he, her, she, ummun, mother, uktun, sister, akhun, brother. Yes, muhandis, engineer, usratun, family. So here you can find, as a basically you have learned demonstrative pronoun, asma ishara used for qareeb and baid, nazdik और दूर के लिए demonstrative pronoun. You know the demonstrative pronoun, asma ishara. What is the definition for demonstrative pronoun? To indicate a person or thing or anything. Indicate करने के लिए, इशारा करने के लिए, हाजा, this, hazihi, this. In English what you use? This. And for far, that. There is no difference between gender. But in Arabic there is difference. That's why if you use for male, muzakkar, so you will use haza. And if you are using for muannas, female, you will use hazihi. And if you are using for far, so for muzakkar, zalika, and for muannas, tilka. Only the plural, jama, there is no difference between gender. For qareeb, near person, either male or female, muzakkar, muannas, jo bhi ho, you will use haulai. And for far, ulaika, for muzakkar also and muannas also. So in plural, there is no difference. Okay. Second thing, zamair. You know zamair pronouns, two types already basically you have learned. Munfasila and muttasila. Both are used here. Both are used. You can see in the huwa in first line in blue color. In second line here. In third line here and huwa. So huwa and here. These are only two, but you have learned all 14. Huwa, huma, hum. Hiya, huma, hunna. Anta, antum, antum. Anti, antum, antunna. Ananahnu. Yes? So ye zamaire munfasila, detached pronoun. And you can find ismuhu, who. Ismuha, ha. Yes? So these two, who and ha, for third person. लेकिन ये ज़मीरे मुत्तसिला है, attached pronoun. ये क्या है? Attached pronoun. डिटैच प्रोनाउन जो है सेपरेटली यूज होते हैं और रिप्लेस में आते हैं किसके? नाउन के. एंड ज़माइर मुत्तसिला अटैच प्रोनाउन, इट यूज इन द एंड ऑफ द नाउन बाय जॉइनिंग इट. वो भी रिप्लेस में आते हैं लेकिन वो जॉइंट के साथ आते हैं, जॉइंट किया जाता है उसको. जैसे आप देखोगे इस्म के साथ हु, इस्म के साथ हा, किताबु क, योर बुक, इस्मु क, योर नेम, इस्मु की फॉर फीमेल, योर नेम. तो ये अटैच प्रोनाउन है. सो गॉट इट बेटा? सो टू थिंग्स. एंड नंबर 3, you can see here that in red color and green color, two colors are highlighted. Yes, ab, bayd, huwa, ummun, uktu, akhu, ये. और ब्लू कलर में और रेड कलर हामिद है सब जगह पे, है ना. मैं इसकी पीडीएफ आपको भेजूंगा, मैं आपको इसका वीडियो भी बनाकर भेजूंगा स्पेशली ग्रामर का. टुडे आई एम गोइंग ओनली, मैंने आपके लिए ट्रांसलेशन किया है. यस, तो ट्रांसलेशन तो इजी है और इसमें 2 चीज़ें समझाई है. एक तो डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन, ऑलरेडी यू आर अवेयर अबाउट इट, और एक ज़माइर मुनफसिला ऑल्सो एंड मुत्तसिला. एक 2 दी है लेकिन आपको पूरा याद रखना है क्योंकि बेसिक है. इसको जितनी बार आप बोलोगे सुनोगे तो बार बार ये आपके दिमाग में बैठेगा, क्योंकि अरबी के अंदर एक कहावत है, थॉट है, इज़ा तकर्रर तकर्रर फी ज़हन. हाँ, इज़ा तकर्रर तकर्रर, फर्स्ट विथ छोटा काफ यू से, in your language. And in second, bada kaf, as you say. These are takarrara, takarrara. When you repeat anything again and again, so it comes in your mind and heart. वो आपके दिलो दिमाग में बैठ जाती है. Yes. तो इसके लिए डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन अस्माई इशारा और ज़माइर दोनों का मैंने रिपीट कर दिया बेसिकली. अब जो इस लेसन का ग्रामर पॉइंट है, जो मैंने आपको हाईलाइट किया कि ग्रीन और रेड कलर के अंदर जो 2 वर्ड दिए हैं, ये इस लेसन का ग्रामर है. यस. और इसी तरह दूसरा भी है, बैतुन कबीर, इस तरह उसरतुन सईदा, मदरसतुल मरकजिया, ये भी एक दूसरा ग्रामर पॉइंट है. तो इंशाल्लाह मैं आपको एक ग्रामर पॉइंट समझाऊंगा. गॉट इट बेटा? तो ट्रांसलेट याद कर लेना और ये 2 चीज़ों को याद रखना. इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो के अंदर मैं आपको इसका ग्रामर समझाऊंगा ऑन बोर्ड पे मैं आपको लिख करके समझाऊंगा. गॉट इट बेटा? अस्सलामु अलैकुम. अल्लाह हाफिज़.